Hello friends, in this video I'm going to talk about why do we test software. This is one of the most valuable interview questions that will be asked for any testers interviews. Before going to that answers, let me tell you who your customers are. Customers are of two kinds: internal customers, external customers. Internal customers are the customers that work in your company. They are employees. External customers are not the employees, but they have some relation with your company that access your applications externally. So they will type in some URL to access your web application. So let's go back to this question. Why do we test the software? First of all, we need to ensure the correct product is being delivered to your customers. So your external customers is always looking for something that you are going to be delivered, so you need to make sure you are delivering the correct product. If they're asking apple, you don't deliver orange. Next thing is to ensure it does what it should do. Your application should be doing some function that your application also need to make sure it is doing those functions. Okay, so you need to ensure it does what it is expected to do. You need to also ensure the requirements are being met. Requirements come from the business analyst, and you need to make sure each of the acceptance criteria that you get from the requirement document or the user stories. You have to ensure each of these requirements are meeting into that product being delivered. You need to also ensure it works today with one computer. Doesn't mean it will work when 1000 computer tries to access your application. Those are called load. You need to make sure it is capable of handling any loads of request. Those are called performance test or load test. You need to make sure that also. You need to also ensure it does not break when it tries to break. There are not always good users, external customers. Sometimes you might get the bad customers who should not access your application each time to access and break your application. That's why you need to break your application. You try to break your application before it goes out to the customer. When you try to break your application, it breaks, then you have ways to fix it before it goes to customer. You need to also ensure it is capable of handling all different kind of user access labels. So if it is admin, right, admin read should not be doing those actions. You need to be able to handle all different kind of user, including guest. So your application as a guest should not be doing something that admin right should be only doing, right? So each individual user's request, it should be able to handle all different kinds of users activities. So these are common basic thing that you should be doing testing for any softwares before it goes out on production, which means it goes out to the customers. That's all for this question. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please continue to subscribe my button and you get more and more of this channel. Thank you.